Ian, what do we got going on today?
We got some paint going on. We're gonna get a little bit of paint on the fender and the side skirt
Of Hunter's car.
on Hunter's G8. The fender on.
They were just...
Some bonding primer on it.
Primed up.
And then we have the paint and everything right there. Compressor set up, getting ready. Try to tape everything off right.
Yep. Probably just pull the headlight. I'm gonna hang the fender and paint it, and we'll just touch up the front of the door.
Alright.
Get it all squared away.
Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and push the Camaro back. We're gonna pull the G8 out and start hanging some stuff and getting it ready for paint. So. Oh yeah, Hunter.
Wow. He shut us out. Got walked out. Freaked up, man.
Hunter, are you ready to have your car done?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me my key bit.
Yep.
Just kidding. 69 on the YouTube channel.
Alright, so what are we doing?
So we have these and we're building a swing that we're gonna swing ourselves on. Do you think this would hold me? Or no? No, we're getting straps on to hang the fender, and then we're gonna figure out a way to hold the side skirt for the painting. And then we're gonna get to some painting and stuff. Oh yeah.
Ian's hanging that up right now.
What?
The strap.
Probably.
Ooh.
Ready?
That's quite a bit of trust in that, buddy.
It's like it pulls the whole roof down. Just kidding, I'm not that fat.
Well.
Alright, Charlie. I guess.
Got it all hanged up. We'll get back with you guys here in a little bit once we're hanging up the fender.
Alright guys, we got the side skirt. Ian is currently spot puttying it. Isn't he?
Yep.
And then what are we going to do after that?
Sand it down, let it dry, sand it down, and then
Probably tack cloth it and get it ready.
prime it. Yeah, tack cloth it, prime it.
Paint.
And then that's about it. That's all she wrote.
You got the yeah.
Buy her little makeshift swing, you know. Gotta do what you gotta do. She'll come out good though.
And then we'll catch you when we start primering that and getting it ready for paint.
Yes, sir.
There's the fender after Ian just sanded it down some to get it
You can spray the whole thing with
ready for another light coat of primer.
white coat.
And then what are you doing now? Sanding the
We'll sand that down and paint up.
paint up. So we're getting close to painting time. We got the fan over there ready to pull all the fumes out of the garage. Got the heater cooking. It's probably 75 in here, 70ish. And we'll get to it.
Oh, we're putting the primer on this to get ready to paint it. What's up, what's up? We're getting some paint. We're just kind of shaking it right now. Gonna get the colors mixed up and get some base coat laid on these two parts. And then after we get a good base coat on, we're happy with it, we'll lay some clear on it. Hopefully see how it turns out.
Got these all primed up for now. Looking good. Ian got them dialed, shaking the paint. Got the air compressor set up. Well, Ian did. Direct plugged in. Looks like we're about to get it painted today, boys. We'll check in soon. What are we doing, Ian?
Mixing up a little bit of this paint. Hopefully, we'll do it right. Just kidding.
Wow, that blue looks